Welcome to 𝙸𝙾𝙳𝙺𝚃𝚁, your trusted partner in construction. Based in 𝚆𝙾𝙳𝚁, Rajasthan, we specialize in industrial and commercial projects. With years of experience, we ensure reliability in every build. Our core services include factory and warehouse construction, educational buildings, and structural design. We handle complete industrial building planning and execution with precision. Quality and timely delivery are our promises to you. Our mission? To lay a solid foundation for your dreams. With skilled engineers and modern techniques, we turn ideas into reality, brick by brick. Your trust is our blueprint for success. Visit us at TC 524B, 3rd floor, Capitol High Street, 𝚆𝙾𝙳𝚁. Contact us at +91 966 𝚆𝙾𝚁𝚳 or email 𝙸𝙾𝙳𝚃𝚁𝚑𝚆𝙀@gmail. Com their website www.𝚸𝙾𝙳𝚃.com.